So here we are at the 1 month update on the Aloe polyphylla. I think I'll end this video here and start the 1 month onwards video. Remember, all the stuff we use is in the links in the description, so you can purchase them directly and we get a little bit. Before we go, let's have a look at these mystery plants from part 1. These were the black seeds. No idea what they are, definitely not Aloe polyphylla. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments, I'd be interested. And here are the other seeds. Mystery plant number 2, look, they're horrible whatever they are. Same thing, if you know what they are, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. The Aloe polyphylla at 2 months. Welcome back to the channel. Here we have the Aloe polyphylla ready for replanting. So let's have a look at them. Having to replant them now because they're going a little bit green, losing their green, lacking nutrients I believe, so time to put them into bigger pots because they're root bound. And let's do it.
Garden of dreams where the roots run deep, little seeds take a chance in the soil they leap. Sunshine and water, they dance in the light. With each passing moment they reach for the heights. Growth is a journey, let's dance with the beat. Nurture with love, they bloom, oh so sweet. Come swing with the seeds in the sunlight glow. Watch them grow, let the good vibes flow. In the little seed and bloom and grow shop's embrace. Nature's sweet rhythm, a magical space. From tiny beginnings to blossoms so bright, each petal unfolding a beautiful sight. Swinging in rhythm, the breeze makes them sway. In the world of the garden they find their own way. With laughter and joy they lift up their heads. In this little shop where all love spreads. Come swing with the seeds in the sunlight glow. Watch them grow, let the good vibes flow. In the little seed and grow shop's embrace. Nature's sweet rhythm, a magical space. So join in the dance, let's just feel it, be free. Inspired in the dreams, just you and me. Join in the dance, let your spirit be free. In this garden of dreams, just you and me.
In the garden of dreams, the little seed lies. San Pedro rising to chase the blue skies. Love for a whisper, secrets of the night. While aloe curls in the warm satellite. Nature nature's wonders, a magical flow. With soil and care, watch the beauty grow. From seeds to life, in the earth we trust. With every plant we nurture, it's a must. In the little seed shop, dreams come alive. Through soil and sunshine, we learn to thrive. Spiral aloe, twisting with grace and might. Cacti stand tall, basking in golden light. LED light shining, a glow in the dark. Seeds of tomorrow ready to spark. The tools we need in this garden space, growing with love, we create our place. From seed to life, in the earth we trust. With every plant we nurture, it's a must. In the little seed shop, dreams come alive. Through soil and sunshine, we learn to thrive. In the heart of the garden, we'll find our way. With a little seed and grow shop that sees the day.
Click the link, take a ride. Let's get dirty on the sunny side. From baby seeds to bloom and glow, we're the place your garden goes to grow. Cute kids, fresh tips, yeah, we've got the tools. Greenhouse vibes breaking all the rules. From cactus cool to aloe spirals, we're bringing life with leafy vinyls. The little seed and grow shop.com. Come plant your joy, it won't take long. Succulent dreams and cactus hearts, we're growing magic. One seed to start. So slow or so wild, even black thumbs get reconciled. With peyote, pea, and perry too, we'll show ya how to sprout that view. Step by step, just watch it bloom. Pretty plants in every room. Organic love, a plant parade. You bring the light, we bring the shade. The little seed and grow shop.com. Come plant your joy, it won't take long. Succulent dreams and cactus hearts will grow in magic. One seed to start. It's more than plants, it's a lifestyle, babe. So dig in deep and feel that wave. Grow with us. We're rooted in love at the little seed and grow shop.com.
So that's 12 done, and basically you just repeat for the whole lot of them. Leave them for a couple of days before watering, let any root damage heal, and then I'll give you an update next month. Thanks for watching.